Hey guys, we've got some new details about the Sony WH-1000XM4 that just dropped, and this time it's on this website called Anatel, which is basically Brazil's equivalent to the FCC. But what's different this time from that FCC listing of the WH-1000XM4 that we covered last year is that now we've got some actual pictures of the product and an instructions manual. So this is going to be very interesting. We're going to dive in very deep and I'm going to tell you what exactly it is that might be a downgrade for some people who already own the XM3. But before we get into that, I want to talk about some improvements that we know about from these documents. Okay, so here are the pictures of these pre-production XM4s, and as you can see, in terms of design and aesthetics, nothing much has changed from the previous model. I mean, the shape of the headband, the ear cups, the side profile of the headphones. So it's quite safe to assume that we won't be seeing much of an improvement in terms of its build quality and design. But the real improvements are inside the headphones, and as we can see from this draft instructions manual, the XM4s will have improvements to its battery life and to some of its Bluetooth related specs. Now, in terms of battery life, a lot of the information has been redacted from this instructions manual, but the figure that we are seeing here is 40 hours with noise cancelling and with the audio cable attached to the headphones. So that's when the headphones is operating in wired mode, not Bluetooth. And that's a pretty moderate increase over the XM3s, because when you operate the XM3s in a similar fashion as in with the ANC switched on and with the Bluetooth mode disabled, you will get up to 36 hours of battery. So from this we can see that the XM4's battery life will be about 20% better than the XM3's, and from this we can possibly derive a figure as in the true battery life of the XM4s with noise cancelling enabled and with Bluetooth enabled too. And the figure I arrived at is 33 hours. That's about 3 hours longer than the XM3's, but consider this. Since the XM4s will be drawing much less power than the XM3s, in fact 2 watts versus 8 watts, because the XM4s will be running on a much lower power consumption Bluetooth SoC, we would have expected its battery life to be much better. So where's all that extra power going to? While it may be possible that some of that extra power might go into a better, more powerful noise cancelling system compared to the XM3s, what's also possible is that that extra power is devoted towards driving a more powerful Bluetooth delivery system. It says here that the XM4s will support Bluetooth 5.0 instead of Bluetooth 4.2, unlike the XM3s. But check this out. The XM4s will also have a Class 1 Bluetooth antenna. The XM3s ran on a Class 2 Bluetooth antenna. So that's where I suspect all that extra power is going into, because a Class 1 Bluetooth antenna is going to give you better range and better reliability of your Bluetooth connection over longer distances. So that is going to consume more power than Class 2. And finally, the XM4s will also support Speak to Chat, Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. So this means that you no longer have to activate Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa by pressing a button. You can simply say a wake word. And I can't help but think maybe some of that extra battery is going towards powering this, because this requires that the microphone will always be listening out for your voice. But that's a feature that could probably be switched off, and if so, would that result in better battery life in your XM4s? That remains to be seen. Okay, now let's talk about that one major downgrade that you will not be happy about if you own the XM3s. If you own the XM3s, you have the benefit of being able to enjoy multiple audio codecs like SBC, AAC, aptX, aptX HD, and LDAC. But it appears that the XM4s will only support SBC AAC and LDAC codec. So no aptX, no aptX HD. It's not gonna matter so much if you're using an Apple device, because Apple devices, they do a kick-ass job at processing AAC. So sound quality is still gonna be great on Apple devices, but on Android, when AAC codec processing is not as good as on Apple devices, you're gonna experience a downgrade in sound quality and possibly also in audio to video latency when playing video games. And that's where the benefits of aptX and aptX HD comes in, because you will be able to enjoy higher resolution audio streaming using these codecs compared to AAC on Android devices. But what about LDAC? I mean, the XM4s, they support LDAC, right? So shouldn't that satisfy audiophiles better than aptX or aptX HD because of its higher bitrate? Well, yeah, but although LDAC streams uncompressed audio at higher bitrates, it is also more power hungry than aptX or aptX HD. So if you stream audio over LDAC, battery life will take a hit, and that's why a lot of people consider aptX and aptX HD to be the sweet spot in between LDAC and AAC on Android devices. But for those of you who own the XM3 headphones, I want to know what you think. Is the XM4's lack of aptX and aptX HD audio codec support gonna stop you from upgrading to the latest model when it arrives? Tell me in the comments section below. But I'm gonna end the video right here. I will be covering more details about the XM4 as and when such details surface, details about its specs, details about its release date. I know you guys are looking forward to that video. So if you don't want to miss another video from this channel, please hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notifications bell, because this is the only way YouTube will notify you of new videos from this channel. My name is Aaron, and I'll see you again, bros and sisters, in the next one. If you're a humble person like me, this shirt is a great way to show your friends how humble you really are. And whenever you look in the mirror, to admire yourself of course, it will also help to remind you to always be humble. So guys, this is a pretty fun shirt to wear. You can check it out in the link below. It's available in t-shirt, tank top, and hoodie. Your purchase helps keep this channel going, and I appreciate your support, bros.